So they're
I have a question. Like, I don't know
Yes.
if most of the time, yes, you said like it's better to pre-build is always, or no, costume build is
Yes.
good. And the Canada Computer has their own pre-build. What is
Yes,
called?
Armory.
Armories.
Yes.
So what do you think compared to Armories and any from HP?
Armory is better because we are actually Armory is this
Yes.
aftermarket.
You pick up,
I pick up the parts and put it together.
The good parts.
Yeah.
Not something garbage like this and put it.
Yeah,
up.
it's literally this.
This.
This is what I would be doing. I would be taking.
So it means you suggest to get Armories from pre-built Armories from Canada Computers,
yes.
comparing to those HP, Acers, or Dell, whatever from Best Buy.
We even have budget Armory builds like that for just workstations.
Yeah.
We have those as well.
So it means from Best Buy, these HP, whatever, Acer, Dell, they
It's
are
not as-
garbage comparing to Armories.
Yes, exactly.
Because they could use whatever the cheapest.
Yeah, this motherboard is probably worth $30.
Yeah, see?
Whereas I would give you a $100 motherboard at least
Motherboard at
because I want you to be able to use it for
Long
a
time.
long time.
And also for the reputation of the
Company.
yeah.
Right? If I'm building a computer, I want to make sure
Because this is one of the issue in my community.
Yeah.
They says like, oh, Gateway is good. Okay, HP is good. And they just go with the name.
Yeah.
And they whatever see in the Future Shop or Best Buy, they just grab. Oh, HP is good.
Yeah, but
Asus is good.
yeah.
They grab and
Well, I mean, HP laptops are good.
Yes,
like I
yeah.
recommend HP laptops,
Yes.
but
But compared to towers.
compared to towers, no. Buy custom build as much as you can,
Yeah.
right?
So if you don't know yourself, go and buy that from Canada Computers.
Yes.
What do you call Armories?
Armory.
Yeah.
See, the socket's already in.
Yeah.
So
What do you see the price difference? It's a huge difference, or you get around the same price?
You can often get around the same price. There you go. Okay, so what is it asking us to do now? The standoffs, yeah? So this is the standoff. There's still this is a mouse mat.
The mouse mat is really
They
nice.
include a mouse mat.
Yeah.
And
Look at this. What the hell? So beautiful.
hold the box.
Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Damn.
This mass. It's titanium. Some of the most expensive metal on the planet.
is a titanium. And
Titanium.
this is built of my titanium.
Titanium. So
Yeah,
we can remove this one. We're gonna do everything on here. So a good idea. This is metal, right?
Yeah.
Since this is ground,
Yeah.
ground yourself. Touch any metal parts and you should be good. Just
Super
ground.
good. Okay, it's ground like that.
Yeah, just ground and that's it.
Just like thoughts like that.
Yeah, and it just
I'm good.
discharge.
Yeah.
That's it. Just to make sure. This one you don't need a knife for that. Actually, I would avoid it. Just take out the box. Take out the box. There's a lot of parts. We'll need some of this for your stuff too.
Even the motherboard is so beautiful.
Yeah. This is a anti-static bag, so there should be a tape at the back that you can remove.
Look at the quality. Look at the quality. Look at this.
It's all one.
It looks like I'm on a plane and just I'm looking down.
Yep.
This is the the formal lane.
Yes.
It's new one.
Should come off.
Yeah, and this looks like a New York.
Yeah, this is designed after a jet engine.
Ah.
So that's the color for it. Right? The Gaming F. There you go. And it should come right off. It's like a nice bluish gray metal. There it is.
Okay, let's start from.
Let's do CPU.
CPU.
So this one's a little different than previous generation. Previous generations, the CPU came off from the top to bottom.
Yeah.
This generation is bottom to top. So you come off this way. Okay. And they check the pins, so we should be good.
It's called land area. Eh?
Yeah, LAN grid array. So the
array.
pins are on there as opposed to here.
Yeah.
So this one you can open it up. And
Core i7. The modern one.
yes. Oh, nice.
Damn, and it's beautiful. All like this.
There you go. Yeah.
Damn. How much we paid for this?
500
$500.
for this
This
one.
is the main chip for
Yeah. For the
Core
mouse.
i7.
And it has an integrated chip, so we're gonna test both.
Yeah.
To make sure.
Another.
Okay. So this is a little different. You see the arrows on the outside, right?
Yes.
So we have to match it against the arrow here. You see the little arrow here? The
Yes,
gold
yes,
arrow?
I see that.
You just put it right in here. Do not wiggle.
Yes.
Do not wiggle with this generation. Instead, you This generator is a little different.
Yeah.
You have to actually pop it afterwards. So let's see how they do it this time. So because the socket is a little different.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not the same as the previous socket. Comes off like this. Once you do, you press, and there it is.
There it is. And
That's
we'll
it.
put a polymer paste over here. So we're not gonna do now, yeah?
No, we're gonna
install
do RAM, SSD.
Yeah.
We're gonna do all of these first. So keep the box for the RAM in case if there's any reason we need to return it because they expect that.
Okay.
So that's one stick.
There's something else.
There's just a manual guide, which we're not going to be too concerned. There should be a lip on the corner. It comes off pretty easily. Yep, it should come off pretty easily. It comes off this way.
Okay.
There we go.
Damn.
Each stick of RAM is 8 gigs. So
Look
you
at
get
this.
32 gigs.
And there will be light on it.
Yes,
when we...
there's LEDs just inside.
So beautiful.
Make sure that these are a closed positions. You're gonna have to open all of them because you're using all 4 sticks.
And alongside to start side, yeah?
Yep. Make sure that the slots match, and you can just press in
With the click sound.
and it should click. That means that it locks.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's good.
We'll move the knife here for now just to be safe.
Yeah, we want to keep ourselves.
Another
strong.
kit. There it is. Exciting.
Oh, super, man.
Matches the colors, right?
Yes. Look at the quality of, oh my god, so beautiful. Compared to this, I'm looking at this garbage.
And like I said, a good 8 years.
Good 8
and it'll
years.
still look much nicer than this.
Than this, yeah.
Right? There is a reason for why PCBs are green. They're cheap to make. Green boards are cheap to make.
Okay, that's
Black
why.
boards are very expensive.
That's why most of the previous
Are green because
yeah.
they're affordable.
Affordable,
Right?
yeah.
Green parts are very easy. Black parts are tough.
Tough, yeah.
Make sure they
Okay,
align.
yeah,
And they
aligned.
should go smoothly. There you go. So now SSD, that one. Now this is the primary SSD.
Yep.
Here, before we open it,
Yep.
I'm gonna show you a few things.
Okay.
Some motherboards have this is a heatsink.
Okay.
But you notice that this one also has 2 M.2. So you have 3. You can actually install 3 of these.
3 M.2, eh?
Yes.
Oh, damn.
But only this one is the primary because this is the highest speed version.
Yeah, all the
Yeah.
main system will be running from here.
Yeah, exactly. But you can install 3. You actually, you can install this one here if you want. But I suggest here because you're going to be using this one the most. So
And
the
it has a
heatsink-
heatsink as well.
Yeah, so that it helps cool it down since you're using it.
Damn,
So
that's
you
a really
have
good
to
one.
unscrew this one first.
The SSD one with the square one versus M.2. So
M.2 is a really tiny flash.
I know. So like, is there any difference on the speed or
Yes. M.2 NVMe
Yeah.
can go up to 7 gigabytes per second.
Oh, fuck.
M.2 SATA,
Yeah.
which is the SATA version, can only go up to 550 megabytes. And
okay.
same for the 2.5-inch drives. as
Okay,
well.
maybe we need to do more.
Okay, it probably didn't come off. Oh, there.
Oh, okay.
It just comes off like this.
Okay, at the same time.
It only goes one direction.
Yeah.
So just remember.
As I see the
Yep.
key, yeah, the thing.
Yep. You just slot it in. There we go. That's all there is. And you put the heatsink on top.
Wow.
Actually, there's there we go.
Yes.
We have to remember.
Never seen something. Look at this again. I'm just, comparing between this and that.
What a difference, right?
What a difference.
Rear
Beautiful. And it's Wi-Fi integrated.
Yes,
yeah?
integrated
Damn.
Wi-Fi. These are the 2 Wi-Fi. So not a big deal.
Damn, he's a monster. He's fucking big and beautiful. Look at this guy. Ooh.
Go. And no screwdrivers needed.
Oh, man.
Thumb screws. They call it thumb screw tacks. This contact is power delivery.
Okay.
If you touch it, it's over. So always make sure you never touch. So if you're gonna hold it, it should come like this. Like this. So this is how it's going to look. The fan goes on top here. Very simple. In fact, we can do this right now.
Also, GPU comes with 3,
Yep.
and heatsink has 1.
1.
5.
And
5
then your power
plus-
supply has another fan.
Yeah, 6, and that had 3. 6 plus 9 fans altogether.
So which one do you want to do? Graphics?
Oh. This guy has 6?
4.
4, okay.
This is
But the 4 is enough.
Yeah.
We have 4 TBF hard drive and 1. We don't need more than this. We're not creating any. Well, it's good.
There it is.
There it is.
And that's it. We can just fold this in to give us a very...
Oh! Look at this from this side. From this side. Oh my gosh! Look at the GPU and look at the front panel.
Look at the logo.
Yeah.
Look at the top logo. It's
Oh
also
yes,
glowing.
even the top logo is glowing. Yeah. Look at that.
Okay, are we getting display? Yes.
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 Gigabytes. It's good, which is good.
All right. We're gonna.
So far, there is nothing wrong, eh?
So far.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna power saving mode. We're gonna see.
So-
70, huh?
Yes, it is. Look at this beauty. It's just sitting there. This is one of the beauty.
And we're gonna.
Yeah, in
Make
my life.
Oh,
It's my interlife.
There you go. So.
Very first time I'm seeing it. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is something.
Okay, so now that this is working,
So I know this is a costume PC, but what can I call it? Is it a costume PC? Or
yeah, custom PC.
It's a costume PC. I know.
Why
but,
don't you call
but
it?
if we're
Give it a
gonna
nice
give,
name.
Yeah. No, let's say like if we're gonna give us a mark, like what kind of mark can I give it? Like is it HP? Is it HP?
Well,
a-
this one could be called the Corsair build.
Corsair, yeah,
because it's
because-
mainly Corsair.
Yes, we
And
have
Corsair
a motherboard.
case.
Yeah.
Corsair RAM and Corsair fans.
Fans.
So why not call it a Corsair build?
Yeah,
Just-
Corsair build.
Or
yeah.
call it the RGB build.
RGB build. Yeah.
Let's grab an Ethernet line.
Okay.
Optimal.
Let's start with region. Is this right? Canada, yes. We do this at work all the time, right? Oh, really?